Okay, as we can see, we have the Epishine solar cell sitting under a lamp, an LED lamp, and we have a light meter down here measuring the light coming from the lamp. On the left we have a meter that's measuring the actual solar cell voltage at these two terminals on the solar panel. In the middle here we have a meter that's measuring the capacitor voltage on the super cap, which is charging up due to all the light coming on here. On the right we have the output voltage, which will jump up to 3.3 volts when the super cap voltage hits 3.92 volts. And over here we have Arduino microcontroller, 3.3 volts on the output. Maybe I'll plug in a different meter in a minute. And I'm going to plug in the Arduino microcontroller so we can see that it's running from the super cap. And there you can see that it's 3 LEDs turn on, and I guess it's getting a bit of a reflection. Let me try and adjust the angle. It says it's pretty cold in here. Let me try rebooting that. Oh, it's lost its voltage.